I'm Pretty Tim.
And I'm DJ Lex, and together we're going to be talking about
Handhelds.
Hi, I'm Alejandro Hoyos, and today we're here at CES 2025 in Vegas, Nevada, and we are at the Intel booth right now with Chris Tim.
Always a pleasure.
How's it going, man?
Good.
And I see we have a bunch of here handhelds that I can't wait to play, actually, or take with me.
A lot of new exciting stuff. So yeah, we're showcasing 3 new handhelds. This one's from Tencent. This is a Lunar Lake device. And it actually, one of the cool features here is it has a 3D mode. So a 3D screen, a quick toggle, you're in 3D mode.
Oh, wow.
Also, detachable.
Oh, nice. So, well, detachable. And the 3D mode, the way it works is like there's a camera and figures out where your eyes are and just adjusts for it, right?
Yep, gives you that 3D effect. Really cool design. This next one we got here is from MSI, the MSI Claw 8 AI.
Yes.
Really great device. A lot of great reviews. You're going to get great battery life on this. It's our Intel Core Ultra Series 2 200V series in there.
It's beautiful. Yes. I really want one of them. Well, I want all of them, but these are amazing. All right, and this last one, well, for me, it's new. What do we have here?
Yeah, this is from OneXPlayer. It's actually an Arrow Lake H device.
Oh, wow. So it's completely different from these other two. That is awesome. And also, I can see they're detachable, so you can just put them together.
Also comes with a keyboard, so they're calling these 3-in-1 devices now.
Oh,
you can do more with it.
So you can, like a tablet, computer, and a handheld
Now we're
gaming device.
Gaming on the go.
That is awesome. Chris, thank you so much. This is amazing.